Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Ada 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Ada 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So in this video, I would like to explain about the one of the test of cement, that is fineness test of cement. So here we are going to learn how to determine the fineness test of a cement. So one of the test on cement, that is the fineness test of cement. So before going into the procedure, we'll need to know what is meant by fineness and why this fineness is important and why we need to determine this fineness testing of cement. So the aim is to determine the fineness of the given sample of cement by sieving. So here we are going to use the sieve for determining the fineness of the given sample of cement. So we know the aim, what we need to do and how we need to do, by using which equipment we are going to perform this fineness test of cement. So here we are going to use the IS 90 micron sieve, which is conforming to IS 460 1965, and the standard balance, weights and trowel and pan. So we want the IS 90 micron sieve. So what we want the IS 90 micron sieve. So this is the IS 90 micron sieve. So by using this sieve only, we are going to determine the fineness test of cement for a given sample of cement. So fineness test for a given sample of cement we are going to determine by using this 90 micron sieve. So these are the various apparatus required to perform the fineness test of the cement. So we'll see what is the importance of doing this test and why we need to do the fineness test of cement. So the fineness of cement has a very important bearing on the rate of hydration and hence on the rate of gain of strength and also on the rate of evaluation of heat. So see here, we need to know one thing. What are the various ingredients of the concrete? So the concrete is made up of the binding material, the cement, and the fine aggregate and the coarse aggregate with the proper proportion of the water, right? So you know the importance of concrete. So the major material we are going to use for the construction industry is the concrete. So how important it is to know the various properties of that concrete. So in that concrete we are using the cement. So it is very important to know the various things of the cement. So whether it is fit for the construction or not before using into the construction field. So that's why it is important to do the experiments before its use. So like that, one of the tests we are going to do is the fineness test of cement. So how fine the cement should be, whether it should be a coarse or whether it can be if lumps are there, whether it can be allowed into the construction entity, can we use it, or how much fine the cement should be, what is the allowable percentage of the fineness of cement. So all that we are going to see here. So the fineness of cement has a very important bearing on the rate of hydration and hence on the rate of gain of strength and also on the rate of evaluation of heat. You know that when water comes in contact with the cement, what it starts hydration. So on the rate of gain of strength. So finer cement offers a greater surface area for hydration. So finer cement offers a greater surface area for hydration and hence the faster and the greater development of strength. So increase in fineness of cement is also found to increase the drying shrinkage of concrete. So fineness of cement is tested either by sieving or by determination of specific surface by air permeability apparatus. So specific surface is the total surface of the all the particles in 1 gram of cement. So here we are going to determine the fineness test of cement by using the sieving process. So it is very important, the cement should have the fineness at which percentage level it is allowed, whether it should be somewhat coarse or whether how it should be, at what percentage, what is the limit of that. Before using into the construction field, we need to perform the fineness test of cement. So because if more finer particles are there, the strength will be gained earlier. So see here, the next one is procedure. So we know the importance of the fineness of cement, why we need to do it, and we know what we need to perform, and we know the various apparatus of it. So now how to determine the fineness test of cement. So first take 100 grams of cement. So take the cement and weigh it accurately to 100 grams and place it on a standard 90 micron IS sieve. So already I have shown the IS sieve, right? So that 90 micron IS sieve we are going to use to perform this test. And what we want, the major thing, we need to take the cement of 100 grams. So then place it on a 90 micron sieve. So if any particles or any air set lumps are there, so any big lumps are there, then you can just break down with your fingers. So break down any air set lumps in the cement sample with fingers. So after weighing the 100 grams of cement, place it on IS 90 micron sieve, and then if any air set lumps are there, just break down with your fingers and then do the sieving. So do the sieving for 15 minutes. So in a circular motion, do it in a 15 minutes. So after sieving it for 15 minutes, whatever the residue is left over, that we need to weigh it. So the finer particles in the 90 microns will pass through it, right? So the residue which is left over, that should be weighed, and note down the weight. So now, as per IS code, the percentage residue should not exceed 10%. So if it is less than 10%, the residue is less than 10%, then it is permitted as per our IS code. So if it is more than that, it is not permitted. So the limit for fineness test of cement is 10%. So the percentage residue should not exceed 10%. So the fineness of given sample of cement, whatever percentage you have got, that gives the fineness of a given sample of cement. That is the result. So find out the percentage, whatever weight you have got, find out the percentage to the complete weight of the cement, then write down as the result. So that is the fineness test of a given sample of cement. So how much you have got, 2%, 0%, 5%, 8%, how much you have got, note down that percentage. So this is how we are going to perform the fineness test of a given sample of cement. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. So I'll come up with the very interesting important topics of the civil engineering. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. Thank you all.